Part 4 Psychological Novel Explanation and Examples. Psychological novel. And what's this? A psychological novel is also called psychological realism. That is, you write a novel in which you portray the mental state of a character which is very akin, which is very much related to the real life incidents, events and characters. That's why we call psychological realism. We have some more ideas. The psychological novel is traditionally understood as a genre of prose fiction that focuses intensively on the interior life of characters, representing their subjective thoughts, feelings, memories, and desires. Reference: the encyclopedia of the novel. So what we come to understand is that it is a type of prose fiction in which we focus upon the interior life of characters, what the characters think, what the characters feel, and we try to express their subjective thoughts, their subjective feelings, memories, and desires. We don't go for analyzing the characters from objective point of view. We want to portray the inner bent of thought of characters. We have some more ideas about psychological novel. In a psychological novel, the emotional reactions and internal states of the characters are more important than external actions. Well, though internal actions do have their own impact upon the external behaviors of the characters, but in psychological novel, our focus is more upon internal states of the minds of the characters. We have some more ideas. This emphasis on the inner life of characters is a fundamental element of a vast body of psychological fiction. So internal life of characters is very, very important, is necessary in this genre of writing. We have now examples of psychological novel. The first is The Portrait of a Lady by Henry James. The second one is Ulysses by James Joyce. And the third one is Great Expectations by Charles Dickens. They are the most famous examples of psychological novel.